Okay, as last I have told you how you can connect any exhaust grills for the duct, and you can release that on the outside. Okay. After this, suppose you want to create you have to create an HU system, air handling unit, from where this one receives the air. There is a AHU setup. So if you go to mechanical equipment again in systems, you will find the mechanical equipment. In mechanical equipment, go to load family. In load family, we will go to directly air handling units, AHU. In AHU, you will find a complete AHU setup, horizontal. We will select and load that air terminal, AHU, air handling unit. Place it, and you can find out the outlet, because this outlet will go as a inlet for this one. So check this outlet is in this direction. Let's say we rotated it like this, and we can place HU room is there actually in every project. So accordingly you can place this in the HU room. If you go and select this one, this is the outlet. That means this will be outlet like this. Okay, so accordingly you can manage and you can create. Now check with the height, whatever height you require. Let's say we required around 2900. So I have placed a 2900, and I will write I will create here. Now what you can do, you can go to the 3D. It will create like this only. We don't require, so I will undo it. So for this, what you can go with the section only. Create a section line. Select this section line. Only this view we required. Go to this view. Convert this one into fine. You will find this one. Now you can directly go to like this. Now I will align with this one. So in 3D we aligned it like this one. Okay, so whatever positions you required, you can place it, or you can reduce the bend radius also. 1.5 we don't require. 1. I will select it and I will move it. Like this. If you go in 3D, now you want to connect this one with this, or either first you want to move this further for the top floors also. Right click, product, you can go to like this. Now at the end I will place a cap. Right click on the duct and you will find cap open end. You will place a cap in 3D, select it. You have to connect this one with this one, connect into with this one. It will automatically get connected. From this it will take the input and it will supply it. Now accordingly you can manage all the conduits and cable ties. This is how you can place the HU. Now let's say we go to the elevation. I will select this fan module. This has to be for all the stories. This will be placed. Let's say I will copy it, paste, selected level, and I will place it on level 2 also. It will come here. So accordingly I will move this one. Now select, connect into inlet from this. Like this every floor will receive and it's supplied. So you can place the HU, but for the HU part it will be connected with the chillers, or we can say cooling towers. So for that what you can do, you have to place the components for the chillers. that is called water side components. These are called air side components. So go to mechanical equipment, load family. These are air side component. Go to water side components. Chillers are there. You can use chiller according to your requirement. We have air cooled chillers here according to the capacity you required. This is 281 to 1231 kilowatt. This is 1406 to 1758. So according to the requirement, size requirement, you can choose. Let's say we will choose this one. Click on open. It will open up. Now we want to place it like this. We will going to place.
Okay, so they will facing
this points will be facing with this one exactly. So what we can do, we can convert this one into wireframe. We can align this with this. Now we can move. These points here. Now let's say this is the outlet. It will connected this one as an inlet. This is 30 mm and this is 152 mm inlet. So accordingly you can connect. We required from this is the inlet. We will convert this into 50 mm first. Okay. Now after this we will going to connect with this one. Let's say we left it here. Now select it. Select. We required only the outlet. Outlet is this one. Now we are going to connect these both. So you can connect them. What is the height difference? It will get connected. If you go to 3D, there is a height difference. It will get connected like this. After this, go back. Sorry, this is the elevation part. Go to mechanical. What we will do, this one. Now we will convert this again into 50 mm, but this will snap this pipe which is already you created. So what you can do, you can first select it and or either you can select like this or double H, temporarily hide. Now select this one. Now we will select it, change. Now we will go like this one only. After this you can select its flow direction in and you can connect these both. Now place HR and check if there is any collision like this happens. This is the collision happens. So we have to change the direction from this point. So what we can do, we will delete this one and we will delete this portion. We will hide this one first, double H. Okay, now this is what we created. So in this view, draw pipe, we will transition it here and convert this one, let's say now we are going to connect with this. So we will first minimize it. Or you can move like this. Now after this, delete this one and connect those pipe. Right click and like this and like this you can connect. If there is no any space, minimize it. Like this it can be connected. So there will be no any interference happens, or we can say there will be no any interference basically. Okay, or we can say clash. Like this you can create an HU system to provide the supply in HVAC. Like this you can place all are the systems or the quarter parts. If you require any return system to create, so as you created the supply system, similar way you will first place the return diffusers. Let's say I will give you. I will provide for these, but if you select this one, there has to be a return system for this. Go with the section, check is this one having any return. Yes. Inlet, this is for the inlet, it is the return system. You can select like this. Okay, now first we will connect all these through the duct. Let's say we are having a duct, but we will create, let's say 500 by 500 or whatever return air duct. Now what we can do, we will going to connect this duct like this and like this. Change this one. Okay, now in here right click, draw duct, slightly you can draw. In here create similar. After this you can connect with the flex ducts, but while creating the flex duct you will select here the return air system you have to select, then you can connect all these. From this to this, all are going to be connected. When all these will be connected, we will draw duct till here, then you can go come here and you can connect with this one. Like this you can got connected these both. Okay, this will create the return system, supply system, exhaust system. Like this you can create all these systems in here for the HVAC. Similarly for all other parts, as we created in here, for these parts you can create all of the other parts, other species you can create.
In return, we won't be mentioning any flow. In return, we won't mention any flow.
No need. That depends on whatever you received from the inputs from the designer. You can place out. Okay, that is the same thing. You can repeat accordingly, but process is this one. For the return system you can create. All these are the same things. Only the thing is you have to place the air terminals. You have to connect all those things to create a system to connect all those things, and you can connect all those things with the mechanical equipment, respective mechanical equipment, whatever you require, and you can copy paste for all the other stories also, if all are having the same plan. If there is a different plan, that means you have to create differently. But it
how to copy exactly to say
as I copy mechanical system,
for the first fan we did like
same copy paste you can require, na?
Just create similar and we will choose the level.
No. What you see, I copied this one to this place. How? No. What you see, check. Go to press tab key, select complete system. Go to elevation, copy it, paste, selected level and select the level. It will get copied. Now check this. Copy paste only. For the typical floor plans you can copy paste. Okay, like this you can complete this HVAC modeling. After this we will going to cover up tomorrow, that is the plumbing part and firefighting modeling. and day after tomorrow we will do all the remaining works, schedule, sheet creation and all. Okay, so tomorrow you have to come at sharp 10. Yes, please.
Thank you.